I'm hosting something special for women's ministry leaders that I can't wait to tell you about. I want to invite you to the Faithful Virtual Women's Ministry Conference happening October 10th and 11th, live on Zoom. This online event is designed for you, a women's ministry leader who wants to serve well and stay rooted in God's faithfulness. You'll hear from trusted speakers, gain fresh practical ideas, and connect with other leaders who understand the unique joys and challenges of ministry. Join us from the comfort of your own home or church. No travel, no hotel, just truth-filled encouragement and practical training you can put into practice right away. You can grab your spot today by registering at womensministryconference.com. Let's be faithful to the one who called us. I hope to see you there.